What is up, y'all? It's your girl, Raven Kai, and today we are making candied pecans. You guys, these candied pecans are the perfect balance between sweet and salty, and they're filled with all of these warm fall spices. Oh my God, I love them so much, and honestly, I eat them year round. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is start off with just a dry pan, nothing inside of it. And you want to put your pan on about medium to maybe medium low heat. And the goal here is to toast your pecans so that they become fragrant. That's how you know that your pecans are ready for the next step. You want to actually be able to smell them. And that's just going to bring out all of those beautiful sort of roasty pecan flavors, okay? And take your time with this. Really wait until you can actually smell the pecans. Next, we're going to be adding in our vanilla. I really hate when I can still taste like the alcohol that they use in extracts. So I like to cook it off. So that's what you're seeing me do here. And that sort of smoke that you see coming from the pan is the alcohol cooking off. So do that step and make sure you don't skip the vanilla. It's so good. Next, we're going to add in our brown sugar. You guys, I love brown sugar in my candied pecans. I cannot make it with white sugar. I just can't. It doesn't have enough flavor for me, but the brown sugar has all of that yummy molasses in it. It's so good, guys. It's like beyond. It's beyond. And you guys, when I'm cooking, I don't use measurements. So I don't have any measurements to give you, honestly. Please don't be intimidated by that. Just use whatever works best for you. If you like super sweet things, add more brown sugar. If you don't like your desserts super sweet, don't add as much. But it's completely up to you, okay? Don't be intimidated by not having any of the measurements. Just make it to where you think it'll taste good for you, okay? Because you're the one that's eating it. And I think you'll actually see me add in more brown sugar later on because I just kind of eyeball it and then I can sort of tell, how it's going to taste. And also my little baby girl, she's 2 years old. She's going to be eating this too. And she likes things sweet. So we got to sweeten it up. And I'm pregnant. I'm 6 months pregnant. My little baby in my tummy, he wants some sweet pecans, okay? Next, I want you to give your pecans a really good mix. I want you to make sure that literally every pecan is covered in brown sugar, okay? Don't be stingy. You want everybody to taste a little something good. And make sure you get all of that caramelized brown sugar up from the pan. Get all of that goodness spread around and coated on the pecans evenly. And you guys, I do apologize if you hear my daughter in the background. She's watching her shows. She's watching Little Baby Bum, so that's her in the back if you can hear. Next, we're going to add in our cinnamon. A lot of people love cinnamon, so please use as much or as little as you'd like. Next, we're going to add in some pumpkin pie spice. And that pumpkin pie spice is filled with cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and all of these beautiful, warm, yummy fall spices that work perfectly for this. We're also going to add in some salt. Yum. You want to always add salt to your sweet desserts. You guys, you have to, and it's so good. I think even later on, I'm going to add even more salt, as some finishing salt in the end. And now, again, make sure that you give everything a really good toss. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more recipes from your girl. And hit the bell notification too so that you're notified immediately when I post a new video. Next, you are going to add in your butter, baby. That's right, butter. Oh my God. You guys, butter is essential to this dish. You're adding in some of that nice fat, some of that yummy flavor. This is just the best thing ever. Again, I don't measure this. I completely eyeball it. And this is the way I melt it. I'm lazy. I'm a mama. I'm tired. I'm pregnant. I'm tired, okay? I'm not finna be melting no butter in no microwave and then using up a dirty dish. And then, I'm talking about, and then I'm not going to be doing all that. I'm not going to be melting no butter in the microwave, dirtying up another dish. I'm going to melt the butter right here in the pan, okay? This is an easy candy pecan recipe. Go ahead, take your time, get your butter nice and melted. And once you have all of your butter melted, you want to make sure that you toss your pecans, right? There's lots of stirring in this recipe, and that's really because we want as much uniformity as we can get. So make sure that butter really does touch each and every one of your pecans to the best of your ability, of course. You can see how glossy our pecans are starting to look. You guys, it's coming together. It's looking so good. You guys, I honestly crave these pecans year round. No joke. No cap. Or facts. Facts machine. All right, let me stop. And this is the finished product, you guys. We are finally done with our candied pecans, which means we can eat. Oh my God. I am so ready at this point, okay? And at this point, you can really give them a taste. See if you want to add in a little bit more salt just to finish them off. Spread them out evenly on a sheet of parchment paper. You can use foil, whatever you got. It's really not that deep with these pecans. And this is what you get: beautiful, insanely delicious candied pecans. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell notification so that you know exactly when I post a new video. And I will see you next time. Bye.